Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 12 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll in order to find the system. Now we have to tap on backup. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to this Google One section. So simply start with adding the account and make sure that you've got the internet connection that is required for this operation. And for this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, and I will do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it because after tapping on next, your device will autofill this part after the add symbol. Right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, if you want to, you can read it, just tap on it and you will have all the information, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got also the information about the backup. So as you can see, you're able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, contacts, device settings, and text messages also. Your device will backup the data automatically by using the Wi-Fi. It will store it securely and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just finish it with tapping on turn on. And here we've got kind of a backup section. So here you can check how much space you've got left and how much you've got used. Of course, you can manage the storage. So for example, remove some unnecessary files. Here you've got the backup details. So basically, what kind of things has been already backed up, and here we've got a quite important option. So as you can see in the advanced settings, you've got backup using mobile data. Basically, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so just like it looks right now. It is because that thanks to this, your device will back up the data only by using the Wi-Fi, and you don't have to worry about being charged for reaching the limit of the data, etc. So just keep this option turned off. And to finish everything, just tap on backup now and your device is backing up your data. Alright, so basically that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.